In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Brave browser app language. By the end, you'll know how to add a new language to Brave and make the entire browser interface switch to it, safely and quickly. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure it's fully visible on your screen so you can see the controls in the top corners. Next, look to the top right and click the menu button, the one with 3 horizontal lines. This opens Brave's main menu with all the tools and options you'll need. From that menu, choose Settings. Brave will open a new tab with your settings dashboard. This is where all customization lives, and changing language is just a few clicks away. In the Settings tab, find the Languages section in the left-hand sidebar. If it's not immediately visible, simply scroll the sidebar until you see Languages, then select it. This page controls both your preferred web content languages and the language used to display Brave itself. Now click Add Languages. A search window appears with a long list of languages. You can scroll through or use the search box at the top to find what you need quickly. Pro tip: pay attention to regional variants if you prefer a specific locale, like English, United Kingdom, versus English, United States. Select the language you want and click Add. You can add more than one if you like, but adding a language alone won't switch Brave automatically. That happens in the next step. Once your language appears in the list, click the 3 dots next to that language. This opens a small menu with options tailored to that language entry. Choose Display Brave in this language. This tells Brave to use your selected language for menus, settings, prompts, and other interface text. You may also notice options related to moving the language up your preference list or offering to translate pages, but the key action here is setting the display language. Finally, click Relaunch when prompted. Brave will quickly restart to apply the change. Your open tabs should come back, but as a best practice, save any important text or drafts before relaunching to avoid losing unsaved work. When Brave reopens, the interface will appear in your chosen language. If anything doesn't look right, return to Settings, go back to Languages, and select a different language, then relaunch again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the Brave browser app language and can now browse and manage settings in the language that suits you best.